Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. In my previous videos, we have been watching that the price action of Stellar was moving at the support of an up channel, and we were expecting that after getting bounced by the support, the price action can hit up to 70 cents because as I told you in my previous videos that the next resistance of the channel is at 70 cents. Therefore, this was my next target. It took over a month to start the move from this support, but finally this move has been started, and so far it has rallied up to 65.5 cents as per Kraken exchange on the daily time frame chart. And here we can also see that for a while the price action broke down this support of the channel, but when this support was broken down, we have some additional supports of exponential moving averages as well. Like we had here the exponential moving average 10, this blue one is 10, and this red one is 21. And we can also observe that after when the price action broke down this support, this stochastic gave us the bull cross. This blue line crossed up this red line. That was the buying signal, and that was a hope that the price action will be moved up from here. And this is not a confirmed breakdown of this support. And now after when the price action has started this move, before entering in this channel, we have already received this bull cross between the positive directional index and the negative directional index by this directional movement indicator or directional movement index. And this blue line is the positive directional index that represents the bullish move, and this orange line is the negative directional index that represents the bearish move, and this red line is the ADX that shows the power of bulls or bears. For example, at this time we have this bullish line above this bearish line, therefore the ADX is showing the power of bulls, and you can see that this red line, the value of this red line is, I'll place my mouse here, then you can watch the values of ADX here, and you can see that the value of ADX at this time is 34. So this is very powerful value for the bullish move. Therefore, we can expect that the price action can move up to this resistance that is at 70 cents. By the way, I am also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas here at the Patreon, and if you would like to support my channel, then you can also join my Patreon through the link I've shared in the video's description. You can find there. Now, I would like to show you the different support and resistance levels on the long-term weekly chart. And we can see that at this time, we have a very strong resistance of 60 cents. And previously, the price action was rejected by this resistance. And that was also this resistance of the channel as well. Even at that time, the price action broke out this resistance of the channel, but while retesting, the retesting was failed and the price action moved back inside the channel, and we also found a very strong resistance here at the 60 cents. And now the price action is again reached at this resistance, but this time we have a very powerful a Marubozu kind of candlestick, a very small wick, and the real body of this candlestick is very big, and this is a very strong bullish candlestick. And we have already seen that this ADX that is showing the power of bulls is moving to the upside, and the value of ADX at this time is more than 33. At this time it is 34. Therefore, we can expect that this rally will be continued. At least the price action, it will reach up to this resistance. And if I place the volume indicator to watch the volume, how much volume we have, then after placing this volume indicator, we can see that even though we don't have such powerful volume like we had previously here, and here as well, however, we have a good volume, and if it will be continued, then the price action can reach up to this resistance to make another attempt to break out this 60 cents resistance and the resistance of the channel as well. And we can expect that if it will be reached at 70 cents, then maybe it will find the resistance of at the 70 cents, and it will break out the 60 cents resistance, the price level resistance. Now after 60 cents, we have the support at 50 cents, and we can see that previously it has been breaking at the resistance here as well. Like we had a long spike up to 60 cents. However, the price action was not closed above the 50 cents as well and moved down. Then we have the next support at 45 cents, then 35, 30, 25, 20, and this is you can say our last support is at 10 cents. However, this time the price action is trying to break out this 60 cents resistance level, and this is the long-term weekly chart. This powerful Marubozu candlestick has appeared on the weekly time frame chart, not on the daily or on the hourly. This is the weekly chart. Therefore, this Marubozu candlestick on the long-term weekly chart is significantly important, and on the long term on this weekly chart we are completely in uptrend. Therefore, at this time, if we have this Marubozu candlestick appeared, that is a very clear indication for the continuation of the trend. Now, what can be our next target? For example, if this rally will be continued, if this 60 cents resistance level will be broken out, then can we expect that the price action will only find the resistance at 70 cents, or in the near future, in the short term and on the midterm, the price action can even break out that level as well? So for that, we can use this Fibonacci tool. For example, this is very important. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high to this low, that was our previous rally, then you can see that after this low to this high, when I have placed this Fibonacci tool, then our next target was this is really very important value of 1.618 or 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is a golden ratio, and therefore we can set our sell targets accordingly. And here we can see that the price action rallied exactly at the 1.618 Fibonacci level, and here the price action found the resistance and moved it a bit to the sideways. And now I'm just going to place the again the Fibonacci tool from the next rally to this low, this high to this low. Then you can see the next rally was exactly here. The price action found the next resistance at 1.618 Fibonacci extension and found the next resistance here at 60 cents and rejected by this resistance like it did here and here as well, and move to the upside. Now for the next target, if we place this Fibonacci tool again from this low, from this recent low to this previous high, previous high to previous low, then our next target can be here. We can expect that the price action will not stop at this resistance at the 70 cents. It can reach up to this 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And this powerful Marubozu candlestick is a very clear indication that we can have a continuation of this rally after the appearance of this powerful bullish candlestick. Now, if I place this trend line here at the Fibonacci extension, that is 1.618 Fibonacci extension from this high to this recent low, then we can see that our next target can be 85 cents. Therefore, the price action, there are very strong chances this time the price action can break out this resistance of the channel and the price action resistance of 60 cents as well. So we can set our next target at 85 cents if this trend will be continued. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.